In this video, we will introduce the prep for HPE7-J01 Advanced HPE Storage Architect Written Exam. HPE7-J01 Exam Overview. Who is the ideal candidate? Understand exam objectives. Recommended study tips. 1. A customer wants to implement HPE Cloud Bank Storage with the Detach Option LTU feature. Which statement is correct regarding the implementation of this feature? A. HPE Cloud Bank Store must be connected using the Connect, Read-Write option. B. A detached Cloud Bank data store can only be reconnected to the HPE Store once system from which it was detached. C. HPE services is always required when reconnecting a detached data store. D. Support for reading and writing to the detached data store is supported with the Detach license installed. 2. An HPE customer has the following requirements. Enable self-service provisioning into any cloud. Simplify Kubernetes clusters on demand across bare metal, VMs, and cloud native. Normalize service management across clouds, giving consistent visibility into costs, dependencies, monitoring, and insights. Which HPE solution meets these requirements? A. HPE GreenLake. B. HPE Ops Ramp. C. HPE OneView. D. HPE Morpheus Enterprise Software. 3. A company has a pair of Alletra 9000s, managed via the HPE GreenLake Data Services Cloud Console, DSCC. An administrator installed Kubernetes locally but requires persistent storage using the Alletra 9000s. After installing the Helm repo for the HPE CSI driver for Kubernetes, what is the next step the administrator should perform to use the Alletra 9000s for persistent storage? A. Create a Kubernetes namespace for the HPE CSI driver. B. Create a secret to allow the HPE CSI driver to communicate with the Alletra 9000s. C. Create a storage class that references the Alletra 9000s on the Kubernetes conductor. D. Add the Kubernetes conductor credentials to the Alletra 9000s in the HPE GreenLake DSCC. 4. A customer needs to replace its HPE Alletra 6000 storage array with either an HPE Alletra 9000 managed with GreenLake or an IBM Flash system solution. Which two advantages should an HPE partner share with the customer as to why the customer should opt for the HPE storage solution? Choose 2. A. Fractional scaling. B. Full stack automation with hybrid cloud. C. Ransomware detection. D. AIOps for infrastructure. E. Granular disaster recovery. 5. Which statement is correct regarding fiber channel over IP, FCIP? A. It has the same latency as CWDM or DWDM. B. A single controller pair should be used for all circuits for the FCIP connectivity. C. It has no fixed distance limitation. D. It is reliant on fiber channel, FC, Buffer credits. 6. What is a prerequisite for a successful fiber channel storage array peer motion migration? A. An N-port ID virtualization, NPIV, capable FC fabric between the source and destination. B. IP connectivity to initiate and control the data migration. C. A direct connection between storage arrays via their FC ports. D. The configuration of a maximum of 8 peer link pairs. 7. A customer has a variety of HPE Alletra arrays running various VM workloads managed by VMware vCenter. These arrays are managed with HPE GreenLake. The customer is concerned they are not getting the best efficiency from the HPE storage arrays. You access Cloud Physics in GreenLake to get an overall view of the hosts and VMs that have the biggest impact on the customer's current environment. Which card should you first examine to see this information? A. Summary for VMware vCenters. B. Simulator for VM right-sizing. C. Shared storage analysis. D. Host analysis. 8. An HPE customer purchased an HPE B-Series SN7000B SAN fabric switch. COS is currently not enabled. Which two statements are correct regarding buffer-to-buffer, BB, credits and the operation of the switch? Choose 2. A. BB credits can be adjusted for specific applications or operating environments, but they must be agreed upon among all switches to allow the formation of the fabric. B. The default window size for fiber channel, FC, frame transmission is 1, but can be increased to 8 or 16, depending on the switch model. C. Each user port reserves 8 buffer credits when online or offline. DBB credits are based on link speed and frame size. E. By default, all BB credits are reserved. 9. A customer has an older HPE Store once General 3 data protection solution. They do not want to upgrade the hardware, but they do want to integrate the existing solution with AWS using HPE Cloud Bank storage. Other than HPE Cloud Bank licenses, what must also be included in the Bill of Materials, BOM? A. Store once VSA appliance license. B. Object Store license. C. Catalyst license. D. RAM upgrade. 10. Which statement is correct regarding the HPE Timeless program for the HPE Alletra Storage MP solutions? A. It requires a switched configuration of at least 4 C nodes and 4 D nodes. B. It requires an upfront reservation fee that is refunded when the customer extends their support. C. It must have a minimum of 32 cores per C node and 92 terabytes raw of storage. D. It must have a minimum of 16 cores per C node and 42 terabytes raw of storage. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.